Hello, this is Decimal, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your K.O.II as a MIDI controller to control synths. In this example, I'm going to be using the K.O.II as a MIDI controller to play notes on my nymphs, and I'm going to be using an 1/8 inch TRS cable. Depending on your synthesizer, you might need different cables and adapters, so please be aware of that. So I'm going to connect the TRS cable from the MIDI output of the K.O.II. Then I'm going to route that cable into the MIDI input of my synthesizer. Then I'm going to have to select a pad by pressing main, pressing sound, and then selecting an empty pad. After doing that, I need to set the pad as a MIDI channel by holding shift and sound. This will give me a bunch of settings, and I can use the plus and minus button to cycle through them. I'm going to select MIDI. You can see the MIDI symbol right here. And using the orange knob, I can change the MIDI channel. In my case, I know my synthesizer is on MIDI channel 1, so I will select MIDI channel 1. I can also use the black knob to change the MIDI root note. Once I am happy with these settings, I'm going to commit them by pressing main. Now if I go into keyboard mode, I can use the pads on the K.O.II to play notes on my Dreadbox synth. Please let me know what you think of this video. It's a simple tutorial, but I might do more like it if people find it interesting. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one.